In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the app Close to set up your phone and voicemail settings. This will be a step-by-step guide to ensure your experience with the app is seamless and efficient. Whether you're new to Close or just need a refresher, this tutorial will offer clear instructions to help you set everything up properly. To begin, what you'll want to do is head over to the Getting Started section of the Close app. This is a great starting point as it gives you an overview of the available features and how to best utilize them. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. It's typically located in the main menu and is your gateway to personalizing your Close experience. A little tip here: regularly check the Settings section since updates or new features might require adjustments to your settings. Now, once you've clicked on Settings, direct your attention to the Phone and Voicemail tab. This section allows you to access and modify your phone-related settings to streamline communication efforts within the app. You might find this particularly beneficial if you're constantly on calls or managing multiple contacts. Next, you'll want to proceed by clicking on the New Number option. This feature allows you to either establish a fresh contact number within the application or link an existing one. Consider what suits your needs best. If you're looking to separate work from personal communication, a new number might be the way to go. Following that, find the Personal Number selection. By clicking here, you'll initiate the process of adding or verifying a personal contact number within the app. Taking a moment to ensure this is set up correctly will save you a lot of hassle later on. Moving forward, you'll be prompted to click on Request New Number. At this stage, you'll be guided through the process of selecting a number, usually from a designated list depending on your location. It's important here to pay attention to any regional or cost specifications that might apply to your choice. Afterwards, you can click on Highlight to emphasize the number you've chosen or to easily edit and update it when required. This is followed by selecting the Output function, which lets you define how audio and calls are processed through your device. Continuing with your setup, you have the flexibility to adjust the ringing settings and select an option that best suits your preference. Whether it's a particular ringtone or vibration pattern, make sure it aligns with your working environment. Likewise, selecting the microphone option tailors your calling experience further. Whether you're in a quiet office or a busy cafe, selecting microphone array or a similar setting that your device offers will fine-tune audio capture for clarity on both ends of the call. Finally, to round off your setup, click on Dial Number, input your chosen number, and initiate a test call. This step ensures everything is functioning as expected, allowing you to confirm all settings are operational and to your liking. With these steps completed, your phone and voicemail settings on the Close app should be fully customized, making communication easier and more efficient. Thanks for following along and happy calling.